I've set up 3 different services here already. And if we check the first one, what it does is it's a recurring link building package that gives the client 3 different links every month. So I've set up an intake form and split it into 3 sections, which allows the client to fill out each part of this intake form separately. So what you can do is you use this custom HTML element here on the right and just put it at the top. And what I've done is I started with a progress bar. If you check the Bootstrap documentation and go into components, they have lots of different components that you can use inside SPP and just copy paste it over. And if we search for progress and then click on the component, you can see how it works, how it looks like. So the progress bar needs to have a specific width, and you have to define the area value. So since this one has 3 pages, I put the value at 33%. And then below another HTML element that's just an alert class. So alerts look like this. You can also search for them. And this is a super simple alert. You can also use something fancier. You can put links inside it, highlight anything you want. And then you just use your normal service fields and put a next button. So the next button is the page break, which will then turn into a next button and then allow the client to go and fill out the next part of this intake form. So this is how it looks like if you preview it. This is the progress bar at the top. Then the alert I created, it actually shows that it's the first page for the first guest post. So if they fill this out and then click on next, now you can see the progress bar on the next page will have 66% because this is what this value has been set to. So 66. And then on the last progress bar, you make it 100%. This is a super simple way to spice up your order forms, but there are a lot of new things you can do with Bootstrap components.